Hey coders, are you feeling stuck in a coding rut? Does your once exciting project now feels like a chore? Well, you are not alone. Every programmer faces slumps like staring at a blank screen and lack of motivation. But fear not. Here are 10 powerful hacks to help you break free and reignite your passion for coding. So buckle up and let's dive right into the video to help you get back on track with creating amazing things. Hack number 1. Step away and recharge. Sometimes the best way to solve a problem is to step away from it. Basically, do everything but code. Definitely, this sounds odd, but it works wonders. Let your mind wander, and it's okay to not be productive at that time. That's exactly when the inspiration strikes. Hack number 2. Start fresh with a new language. Now, learning a new language can be really refreshing even if you are a beginner. It doesn't essentially mean abandoning your original language. However, there's also no set rule that says that you need to stick with something that you don't enjoy doing. If what you are learning or the project that you're working on doesn't really feels like your thing and fails to excite you, maybe look at other things that might. Most technologies have their own dedicated jobs out there that you may fall in love with. Consider platforms like Treehouse and Code Academy to explore different options and find what else sparks your interest. Hack number 3. Just code for 5 minutes. Seriously. Sometimes all it takes is a tiny spark to get the fire going again. Open up CodePen or your favorite IDE and write some code, even if it's just a simple website or app. Remember that this exercise isn't about perfection, but about bringing you into the right flow of things once again. Hack number 4. Immerse yourself in coding podcasts and books. Listening to developers talk code or reading insightful books can be incredibly motivating. Engaging in their experiences and getting inspired by their journey can ignite your passion for programming and fuel your drive to excel in the field. So it is always great to find relatable anecdotes to help you through frustrating times like a coding rut. Hack number 5. Write creatively. Can't find inspirations? What if you were to inspire others? Writing creatively about coding, even if it is in a blog or journal, can help you process your thoughts, identify those challenges, and solidify your understanding. This process can be surprisingly insightful and engaging as it is a powerful tool for self-reflection and growth. Hack number 6. Craft your SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Setting goals with these criteria ensures that they're clear, trackable, achievable, boosting your chances of success. For example, imagine you want to create an internal tool to manage leave requests. Here's how you can turn that into a SMART goal. Specific. Now you can be specific by developing a leave management app using your preferred programming language. Measurable. Track development progress by weekly completed features. Achievable. Consider time constraints and skill set. Perhaps partnering with a colleague can make your goal more achievable. Relevant. Being relevant solves a pain point for your team and manager. Time bound. Complete a functional prototype within 8 weeks and create a similar timeline of your goals. So use SMART to smartly overcome your coding rut. Hack number 7. Connect with other developers. Community engagement is a brilliant option to get over your coding rut. So chat with your fellow developers, join online communities, and attend meetups. Talk about their projects, ask questions, and learn from each other's experiences. Sharing your journey and connecting with others can be incredibly motivating and helpful for you. Hack number 8. The happiness hack. Giving back promotions or pay raises are okay, but research shows true happiness comes from contributing to something bigger. And guess what? Even as a developer, you have immense power to make a difference. Let's break the myth that your impact is limited to the lines of code. Indulge in activities like mentoring junior developers, participating in non-profit projects, empowering non-technical individuals, volunteering your expertise, and more. And trust me, the sense of purpose and connection you gain will be far more rewarding than any external validation. Hack number 9, comfort zone. Now let's talk about stepping outside your comfort zone. As the saying goes, magic happens outside your comfort zone. Remember that you want to feel excited and challenged in your career. Push yourself a little, take risk, and witness the magic of growth. For example, instead of contributing to a familiar open source project, choose one that uses a new framework or language. This will stretch your skills and bring immense satisfaction upon completion. Hack number 10. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Yeah, it's a cliche, but remember it's okay to take it slow. Don't get discouraged if you don't understand something right away. The beauty of coding is its flexibility. Take advantage of that. Find pockets of time throughout your day, even if it is just 15 minutes. Maybe while you're commuting or cooking. Be patient, consistent, and don't forget to celebrate your small victory. Remember, overcoming a rut in programming is a journey and not a destination. Be patient, experimental, and find what works best for you. By following these steps and staying true to your passions, you can reignite your enthusiasm for programming and achieve new milestones in your journey. Now, what strategies do you use to overcome a coding rut? Share your tips in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more such content. Happy coding!